Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's lesson is about chronological order. Chronological order refers to the arrangement of events in the order in which they occurred, typically from the earliest to the latest. Number 1, you wake up. Number 2, you brush your teeth. Number 3, you wash your face. Number 4, you eat your breakfast. Number 5, you go to school. Number 6, you play. Number 7, eat dinner and relax. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.